Hello, my name is Jane. I'm one of the video creators of Young Laxon. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the whole step-by-step process of how you can get started Forex trading with XM. XM is one of the best Forex brokers out there. They started last 2009 and they have over 5 million clients in 190 different countries. I'm assuming that you already checked the background of this Forex broker. And you're just here because you need a specific tutorial on how to get started, like the process of creating an account, the account type that you should choose, and leverage. And yes, that's what you will be learning in this video. The very first thing that you have to do is open XM's website. Use the link in the video description, it should look like this, to make sure that you will be accessing the official website of XM. Because as you can see here, there are a lot of other fake XM websites. So make sure that you use this link below so that you will be routed to the exact page, the official website of XM. Once you reach this page, just click this button, start with $30 free, then you will be routed to this page. Just fill out the form, whatever the details that are being asked. Make sure that all the details that you're going to fill up here match whatever IDs that you will have, because later we're going to verify our account by submitting an ID, and it's important that our information are the same. For trading details, choose MetaTrader 5. The only difference between these two is that MetaTrader 5 is the latest one, and you can also trade stocks with MetaTrader 5, which you might do in the future, and it's not available in MetaTrader 4. For your account type, just choose between standard and micro. If you're planning to start an account with at least $500 initial deposit, then choose standard account. If it's below $500, then you can choose a micro account. The difference between these two account types is actually just the trading volume. As you can see here, one lot of standard accounts is equivalent to 100,000. For example, 100,000 euros, and the micro account is just equal to 1,000. After filling up all of your information, just go ahead and click this button, proceed to step 2. You'll be routed to this next form, which you need to fill up again your additional details. Just go ahead and fill up your additional information. Let me quickly fill this up and explain everything here. For your trading account details, just select whatever your preferred account-based currency is. Make sure to select yes on the account bonus to receive bonuses from XM. For your leverage, I would suggest you choose 1888. Don't worry, you can change this anytime later if you want. Leverage is what gives us more buying power, since Forex prices change very little, so we need to buy more volume so that we can make profits with a small movement of currency prices. If you have $500 in your trading account, it will be multiplied by whatever your leverage, and that's going to be how much volume you can buy. Just remember that the higher the leverage, the higher the risk. But of course, the higher rewards if you win on your trades. For investors' information and trading knowledge, just answer all the questions. Just select the best option that describes who you are. XM is just collecting this information to give them ideas about who you are and how they can help you. They have free webinars and seminars, and I guess this is where they get ideas on who they're going to invite. Once you're done filling up and answering all these questions, just go ahead and click this button, Open Real Account. After that, go ahead and open your email. XM will send you an email, this email right here, and just click this to confirm your account. We're going to wait for the second email, and that's going to be the email where our account details are included. This email right here, as you can see here, are our MetaTrader 5 ID and our account server. Make sure to save this email for your future reference. Next, once you already have your account details from the second email, go ahead and log into your account. You can click this button and you will be routed to the login page. Copy and paste your MetaTrader 5 ID and type in the password you created earlier. Once you're logged into your account, the next thing that we're going to do is to validate your account. To do that, just click this drop down and select Upload Documents. Then, just answer this question. Select yes if you have a tax identification number, otherwise just select no. Proceed to the next step. And this is the final page where we can now submit our ID to validate our account. Just select one of your government-issued IDs and make sure to have it ready on your computer and just upload it here. Once you're done uploading your ID, your account should be validated within 24 hours. Once you receive that email saying that your account is successfully validated, just log in back to your account. Inside your account dashboard homepage, scroll down a little bit and you can now claim the $30 bonus that XM has for their new clients. This $30 bonus is not withdrawable, by the way, but you can use this to start trading, and if you make profits, you can withdraw all of them. You can also surf around inside your account dashboard. Try to open this tab for research and education, and you'll see a lot of free resources that will help you become a profitable trader. By the way, as a thank you for watching this video, I will share with you a list of huge Forex traders that I'm following on Telegram. Just like this one, they will be sending trading signals and all you have to do is copy them and apply your own strategy. Here's one of them. He's sending gold signals with a range of prices where you can buy, take profit, and stop loss. And here's the result. They are huge traders, as you can see in their results. I have 9 of them, and if you want to access the list, just go to this blog post. The link is in the video description, and scroll down to the 3rd heading. Here's all of them. The next thing that you should do is make a deposit to your account, your trading capital. You can start trading with the free $30 bonus, but that would not make you enough. But please make sure that before making any deposit to your account, you already have enough knowledge about Forex trading. You should already know risk management, the trading psychology, and have developed your own trading strategy. If you want to fund your account or make a deposit, just go to the homepage of your account and scroll down a little bit, and you should see these options. XM always have bonuses for their new clients, so just choose whatever is best for you, and click deposit. They have multiple payment methods to select from. Just make sure that your account is already verified. Just select your preferred payment method and go through the deposit process. Your deposit should reflect in your account within minutes. Alright, for us to start placing our trades, we have to install the trading platform that we choose earlier to our device, which is the MetaTrader 5. What I usually do, which I would suggest you do the same, is use your mobile device to do Forex trading. Here's what I do. I open this website. It's called TradingView. You can also create a free account on this website. The link is in the video description for you to create a free account. This is where I checked the movement of the market and mapped out my trading strategy. Once I'm done and finally decided on what currency pair to trade, I use my mobile phone to place my Forex order. Using your phone for Forex trading is very convenient. I mean, you can place and close a trade anytime and anywhere, even inside your comfort room. So here's what I want you to do. Open your App Store or Google Play Store for Android users and search for MetaTrader 5. Install it to your device and add your XM account. Please refer to the second email that XM sent you, the email that I asked you earlier to save. Just search XM and choose XM Global Limited. I don't want to bore you with a long video to watch, so I'll link in the video description for a separate, dedicated video tutorial on how to use MetaTrader 5. Let me know in the comments if you still have questions, and make sure to like this video and subscribe. Thank you and good luck!